Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time joining my channel, my name is Seun Digital. So let's dive into the video. If you are looking for a way to sell your Tron coin or your TRX coin, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sell your TRX coin. If that's the video, kind of video you're looking for, then this place is your home. So guys, let's walk into the video while I show you how to do that right now. So if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, you know how to do it. You want to...
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Click on the subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. So the next thing you're going to be seeing now is my screen. You're going to be seeing my phone screen while I walk you through. I'll do that right away. All right, so the first thing you want to do now is to click. Now when you enter your Binance, you will see something like this. Okay, so this is the home page. So what you want to look for is actually the wallet. So click on wallet here. All right, click on, after which you click on wallet, then you can see I have TRX 193 TRX. Okay, so what I want to do right now is, first thing, before you can sell TRX on Binance, you need to convert it to either BUSD or USDT or Ethereum or BTC or Naira. So you have to convert it. So I'm going to convert it now. So how do we convert? You come to trade, you click on it. Right here, yes, you can see the trade TRX to USDT. That's not, if I use this TRX to USDT right here, if I say okay, if I click on sell, because I want to sell TRX to USDT, click 100%, it's going to tell me the amount of USDT I'm going to get, which is 12.04344. all right, if I do that, they're going to remove out of my USDT, so I'll be getting like 11.04344. so I don't want them to remove any charges, so I will click on this part that say convert. All right, so click on it. So here you're going to select from TRS to BTC. So I'm going to change the BTC to USDT. Click on BTC, then locate USDT and click on it. So after which I've done that, I'll click on max, that means maximum. Then I'll click on preview conversion. All right, so once I do that, I'm going to get 12.000 blah blah blah. So everything is, so I'm going to click on convert. So you have to do it within that period of 8 seconds. So click on convert, then wait. After which you've done this, the next thing you want to do is to click on home, back home. After which you've done that, click on this arrow that go back again, click on it. Then here click wallet. Here draw, you can see now we have our USDT right now, so we can sell this USDT to P2P markets. In P2P market, so let's go to P2P market. So how do we go to P2P market? From here, click on transfer. All right, once you click on allow it to load, then we want to transfer spot to P2P. So you are going to change this one to P2P. Click on it, then you click on funding, then you select the coin we are selling, which is USDT, then click on the USDT. all right, then click on maximum, which is everything. After which you've clicked on everything, then click on confirm transfer. Allow it to transfer that. So successful. So now that we've transferred the money from spot area to funding, so let's click on funding. So here click on P2P, you can see the money here, so click on P2P. So after which you've done that, then right now we want to sell, so click on sell. You can see buy and sell, click on sell. So now that you've clicked on sell, you can see the amount we can sell here is 6 million to 50 million, so we don't have up to that. So if you keep going down, it's going to take your time. So click on this amount, click on amount to filter it. So here click 4,000, click confirm. So it's going to filter it and give you people that are selling from 4,000. So 4,000 to 666,729 naira. So click on sell. Then after you've done that, click all. Then select your bank here. So I'm gonna click on the bank to select my bank. So I'll be using my CUDA, the first one. Select it. So if you don't have a bank before, just click select bank, and here down here to add your bank. All right, so because I have bank, let me select. So right now I'm gonna click on sell. When you click on sell USDT, then you're going to wait for a minute for it to load. That means we are selling to the guy. So one thing you need to see is that click on this chat to see what the guy said. Okay, it's good to click on it sometimes. So let's just, okay, the guy say, hello boss, pay many dear, not just you. Okay, but I'm fast, please, no calls, boss, blah 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 for issue, blah blah blah. So after which you've read his message, you can now click on this X to go back. Then we're gonna wait for the guy to drop the money in our bank. So once the guy dropped this money, which is 8,672 naira 43 kobo, all right, we are gonna wait for the guy to drop the money. Once he drops the money, this place is gonna turn yellow. It's gonna be clickable, but right now it's not clickable. Once it's clickable, then we will proceed from there. So maybe right now I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back once the guy make the payment. All right, the guy claimed that he has made the payment, so you can see this thing has turned yellow. So what we need to do right now is to click on the payment received. But before you can click payment received, you have to go to your bank to confirm if truly the payment has been sent to your bank. So let's go to my bank and check that. But instead of me going to my bank, let me check my email to see if I receive any email from them. Okay, this is CUDA. All right, so click on it. You can see this is my CUDA account. Ola Shile Sunday Omosa just sent you 8,762 naira 0 kobo. Okay, you can see the money is right here. So what we're going to do right now is to go to that account here, then click on payment received, click on it. Then now click on this one, I have received the correct amount, please payment sender matches the buyer verified number, blah blah. So click on this one. Although the guy did not send my, if you check here very well, you can see that it's 8,672 naira 43 kobo. It did not send the kobo, but no problem. So click confirm. Then after that, you have to copy your, now depending on what you are using for your verification, if it's your phone, click on your phone, then click on send the code, click on phone to send, click on send the code. They will send the code to your SMS, copy the code and paste it here. But if you are using Google Authenticator, click on it to receive code. So I'm going to go to my Google Authenticator and paste it here. All right, so right now I'm going to click on my Google Authenticator to copy the code. So now I'm going to click on paste, then click confirm. Yes, so then I can leave a positive feedback by clicking on positive. Then I can say save and trustworthy. Then I can say leave comment. Then you just leave it. Boom, you are done with it. So that's how you, then you can click on this place that say go back. Then you can click on back again. You can click on back again. Then you can click on back again. Then here, this is our funding. Nothing is here anymore. You can see 1 naira 80 something kobo, 98 kobo cent. You can click on your spot. So that's how you do it. So you've sold out your TRX and you are good to go. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this, if this video is what you like, this kind of video is what you like on how to make money online, how to build a website and all, you want to give this video a like, and also don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question to ask me.
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, to make money online, you also need to watch this video so that it's going to help you to make more money online using Binance method, arbitrage. So watch this video right now.